Let's see which component is making problem here. This MOV is burning. So this clicking due to this capacitor, it is not allowing to maintain the voltage on DC rail of standby section. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Delta Electronics 24 volt power supply. I received in fail condition. Let's see what is fault here and how we will fix it. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because we will deal with live voltage. I will apply power using series lamp, and we will monitor the lamp condition, and we will use incomplete repair process. Let's start. No indication on the lamp. Check AC voltage. $237 volts. The LED is off. Check DC output. No output. Let's open it and we will see what is the fault. In last similar 4 power supplies, I found this capacitor bulged, and same this capacitor has swelling here. In the first step, verify voltage on this capacitor. If there are voltage here on this capacitor, discharge it. No voltage. This capacitor, the first thing, PFC section gate drive components are clean. Power stage components are clean here. First we will verify the fuse. Yes, fuse is damaged. Just only for test purpose I will install 1 ampere bus fuse wire. When we will fix this power supply successfully, then we will install the original value fuse. Check input resistance. 1.6 kilo ohms. It is low. This low resistance, 1.6 kilo ohm resistance, indicates that there is something wrong. Let's verify by applying power supply voltage, and then we will check it again. It is indicating that there is something wrong. Let's see which component is making problem here. Yes, we can see this MOV is burning. We can see the smoke. It is coming out from this MOV. Let's remove it. So this was the indication of 1 kilo ohm resistance that this MOV was making problem. If we don't use series lamp, that time the fuse will burn immediately. Now we can see CNR 14D471K. We can see this protective component, it damaged itself due to any high voltage strike or any surge voltage, but it protected the next circuit. So this is the safety component. Now we can see 1.3 mega ohms. Before this it was just only 1 kilo ohms. But now this damaged component is away from the PCB and next circuit is now clear. Now we need to check this capacitor as well. Let's apply voltage. This condition due to this capacitor in the standby section. It is not allowing the circuit to build the voltage. So this clicking due to this capacitor, it is not allowing to maintain the voltage on DC rail of standby section. That is causing to fluctuate this supply. Let's remove this capacitor. Discharge this capacitor. .9 nanofarad instead of 2.2 microfarad. It is showing 4.4 microfarad. Its ESR is 4.8 ohms. This capacitor is not good. So just for test purpose, I will connect it externally. This end is negative, this end is positive. Let's check it now. Yes, PFC circuit started. Check voltage on this main capacitor, 392. Check output, 23.59. Yes, it is controlling voltage. Now the voltage are maintained. I need a capacitor, MOV and fuse. This power supply is now recovered. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.